Hello YouTube, this is Boomer Mafia. This video I'm gonna be installing the TRD skid plate for the third generation Tacoma into a second generation Tacoma. According to the internet, it's supposed to work, just supposed to be a bolt-on installation. So it shouldn't take that long. This Tacoma didn't come with the skid plate from the factory, so there's nothing to remove. And to make it easy, I have these things I made for my Jeep, but this basically 4x4s sandwiched between two sheets of plywood, give me an extra 5 inches. And these guys are basically placed underneath the tires. And I have 4 of them. That allows you to lift the truck and still have the weight of the truck on top of it. You can crawl underneath and not have to struggle and suffer. So I'll get the skid plate out and lift the truck, and we're gonna get this installation started. Let's take a shot from the front. Nothing hits out. That's where it's at. Let's zoom in. Looks pretty darn good if I say so myself. Very nice clean install on the 2014. So overall, very happy with it. I'm just waiting for the light so I can install the TRD Pro grill. That's what we're going to install in this one. Well, until then, talk to you later.